out here at Donner, 2023. Out here on the ski slope, throwing down with the boys. It's been super fun all day, just having a blast. So much fun riding on a ski slope. I've never done this before in my life, so it's been a really good time. Stock class 450, ended up pulling second place, I believe, and then on the 700 class, ended up pulling first place. So I'm happy with my results today for sure.